Hey everyone, welcome back to the How Technology and Settings channel in Kenya. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Whether you're just starting out with Kali or want to set up a safe, isolated environment for penetration testing or cybersecurity work, VirtualBox is a great way to get started without needing to mess with your main operating system, like Windows, which is the most OS used in Kenya. First things first, you'll need to download two things. VirtualBox, a free and powerful virtualization tool. Kali Linux, the OS that will be installing inside VirtualBox. Additionally, you'll need to download VirtualBox extension park. Go ahead and visit the VirtualBox website, virtualbox.org, and click on Download VirtualBox. Make sure you choose the version that's compatible with your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Next, head over to the official Kali Linux website at kali.org. Download the ISO image that matches your system architecture, either 64-bit or 32-bit. Now, let's install VirtualBox. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's super simple, just click Next, accept the license agreement, and choose your installation settings. Once it's installed, you're all set. Time to create your first virtual machine. Let's open up VirtualBox and click on New to create a new virtual machine. Give your VM a name. I'm going to call mine Kali Linux. Under Type, choose Linux, and for version, choose Debian, 64-bit, since Kali Linux is based on Debian. Next, assign some memory. I recommend at least 2 GB, but if you have more RAM, feel free to give it a little extra. Just make sure you don't allocate too much, or your host machine might get slow. Now we need to create a virtual hard disk for Kali Linux to live on. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now and click Create. I suggest choosing the VDI format for the hard disk and setting it to Dynamically Allocated, so the disk only uses as much space as it needs, up to the size you set. For Kali Linux, 20 GB should be plenty, but feel free to adjust this based on how much space you think you'll need. Now, let's tell VirtualBox to use the Kali Linux ISO we downloaded earlier. Click on Settings, then go to Storage. Under the Controller, IDE section, click the empty disk icon, and on the right, click the disk icon next to Optical Drive. Choose a disk file, and select the Kali Linux ISO you downloaded. Let's go ahead and start the virtual machine by clicking Start on the main screen. Now you'll see the Kali Linux boot menu. We'll go ahead and choose Graphical Install for an easy installation process. Once Kali starts booting, follow the prompts. Choose your language, location, and keyboard layout. Then you'll be asked to set up your network and hostname. You can leave the default hostname or change it if you want. Next, you'll set up a root password, make sure it's secure, but easy for you to remember. Then, select your disk partition. For most users, the guided, use entire disk option works perfectly. After that, just follow the prompts, and Kali will install. This may take a little while, so grab a snack and relax. Once the installation is done, Kali Linux will prompt you to reboot. Go ahead and hit Continue, and make sure to remove the ISO from the virtual CD/DVD drive so it doesn't boot again. After the reboot, you'll be prompted to log in with the username, root, and the password you set earlier. And there you go. You now have Kali Linux running on VirtualBox. From here, you can start exploring, learning, and diving into all the awesome tools that Kali offers for penetration testing, security research, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Drop any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.